up, Glam Girl Squad? It's your girl Amdel. If you are new here, welcome, boo. What's up? If you guys don't know, I am a beauty entrepreneur. Or if you are new to me, I am a beauty entrepreneur. My eyelash brand, which is thelaralifestyle.com. I started Lara Lifestyle about 2 years ago. We are still a small business, so we are still growing. I say we, but it's really me. On thelaralifestyle.com, you will find 3D mink lashes, you'll find 4D mink lashes, you'll also find 5D. 5D mink lashes are the 25mm lashes. I really wanted to make this video because I think it'll be helpful for someone out there that wants to learn how to ship out their orders. I wanted to first talk about what I actually use to ship out my lashes. So I ship out my lashes with a poly mailer. I got these off of Amazon. I actually link my Amazon store if you guys are interested in getting these exact ones. I like these because they do have some bubble wrap on the inside. It's like a thin wrap, but it's going to protect it if it does fall, because the lashes, you want to protect them at all costs. This could fit about 4 lashes in here easily. And then if I do have a large order, I ordered this size here, which is super large. Inside of my poly mailer, I do like to include a thank you note. You get a discount code and it just tells you thank you, and it tells you to, you know, tag the Glam Girl Squad if you want to have your pictures featured on Lara Lifestyle's Instagram. This I always include in here, and I also include my business cards. So I do have my business cards that I designed myself. They look so cute. So I do have these two, and I just make sure that they're in there. I just like to do that ahead of time so that when it comes time to actually shipping out lashes, I don't have to worry about making sure that I remember to put them in there. I literally spend one day just filling in the poly mailers with the mailers, and that's that. And then anytime I need to actually ship out lashes, I'll just grab them and I literally have to just put the lashes inside the poly mailer. It works for me. It makes life super easy. Now I'm going to be talking about what I actually use to ship out my lashes. Okay, so this is my website, and the first thing you see when you go on the website is this: hello beautiful, let's connect, and you get 10% off. And this is what the website looks like. We have the best sellers, which are right here going across. These, everybody loves these lashes right here. These are the 25mm lashes. They're called the Super Glam lashes. And then you have Natural Glam, Glam Lashes, and Super Glam. And then if you follow us on Instagram and if you tag us, Glam Girl Squad, you will be featured on this page here. Hey, delicious. And then this is the bottom of the page. Pretty standard. This website that I used to host it is called Shopify. So Shopify, this is what Shopify looks like on my end. And I love Shopify just because it makes it super easy to mail out your lashes. So for my orders, I like to go over to my order screen, and here you will see some orders that I just have to fulfill. I already clicked fulfilled on them just so I can actually get them out. So the reason why I like to use Shopify is because I like how I'm able to generate my shipping labels straight from my Shopify website. I don't have to go over to USPS, and I can easily go to Shopify and click on fulfill and literally print out my shipping slip as well as my shipping label. I find that it just makes my life easier. So literally it goes by your weight of the package, and that's how much it's gonna cost. But the reason why I do not select first class mail, because it is cheaper, is because if you select first class mail, it is gonna say on the package. I hope y'all don't mind me eating my fruit snacks. I'm in love with them. But if you do select 1.8, you are going to see the price of the stamp on the package, and also it does not come with tracking. And I like to actually track my lashes because, one, it's an investment, and two, I get to see on my back end if it actually made it, because I do go in and I follow up and see, like, you know, is the item gonna make it? Has it made it yet? I know I shipped it. Where did it go? And if there are any discrepancies to the orders, I can literally go in and check and see with my eyes what actually happened. So if you do have a product that you are selling, I would advise having tracking on it. That way you guys can both ensure that y'all are on the same page, and you can actually see where it's at all times. So I like to select first class packaging. And if you want to have signature confirmation, you can. I know some companies do. I personally do not. So I just leave it as that, and then you just click buy shipping label. And that's what it looks like when it's purchasing the shipping label. I just click on print label, and then I just press print, and then it automatically goes over to my printer and begins printing it. You can also print out you can print out the packing slip. I really like using Shopify because, again, it's just a click of a button. Like, you literally just can print it from their website. You don't have to worry about actually going to a different USPS website. I found that when I used to go to USPS website, they would charge me $6.95 to ship out lashes, but lashes and anything that you ship goes by weight. So lashes thankfully for me, they are literally light as a feather. I could ship them from $2.74 to $6.95, and the customers pay for the shipping, and it's already included inside of the overall cost, and I can automatically just go on and print it and ship it. So I really like that about this, because it just makes my life easier, to be honest. And I like when my life is easier, you know. I like when there's a system set in place where I don't have to do a lot more of the work. So this is what the label looks like, and then this is what the packing slip looks like. This is the printer that I use. Nothing fancy, nothing special. Print it out and we good to go. My lashes in a storage drawer. So I have all my lashes up here, and then I have some more in this drawer. I keep them here stored because it's just easier for me to grab. And the top jar is the 3D Mink, and then this one is the 5D lashes. This is the Glam Girl lash. She is so pretty. This is KILLA Queen, super voluminous. Okay, this is Baby Spice. Baby Spice is like a very long but natural lash, and she's not her like top seller, but I think she's super cute. I think that she might have some potential. She hasn't found the glam girl that's looking for her yet. So I guess this is still looking for some shine. But she's a pretty like natural lash. Like, look at them lashes, y'all. So pretty. But she doesn't give you that volume. And then we have Hollywood, which is super pretty. Ming fell in love with these lashes, but she loves Hollywood and she also loves Dream Girl. But yeah, Hollywood is so pretty too. It's like wispy, full, gives you that drama. So the top drawer, we have Lara, which are the lashes that I'm wearing today. Hold on, let me take them out the rubber band. We have Lara, which I am wearing today in this video. Super pretty, super like wispy. I love this style. You see why I called them Lara. I love Dream Girl too for the 25mm. I mean, I love them all. I picked them. Then we have Glam, which is like such a like pretty. It has the short hairs and has long hair, short hairs, long hair. So it like mimics your natural hair to give you volume at the base of your eye, and then you have that length. So that's that. What else we got? Then we have Slay, which is so pretty. Like, this looks so bomb on your eyes. Ooh. Then we have GETTA, which is the OG of the OG lash. Like, this is one of the lash names that I have first came up with. So GETTA and Hustler, they were part of the first lash collection. And they're like a very natural lash. So if you're looking for a lash that is natural, this is your girl. Like, very straight to the point, still has volume, still is full, and super bomb. So far I have taught you what to actually use when you're shipping out your packaging. Then I taught you actually how to ship it out from Shopify, which I like. It's right on the website. Then I taught you about the different features when it comes to actual weight and how you pay more if your package weighs heavier or you pay less. There are alternatives to different websites where you actually ship it from. You can actually ship it from USPS.com if you so choose so. And I love how Shopify also tracks the person's email. It tracks their, it basically adds a contact into the Shopify website. So if I do have to do email marketing, I already have the person's email. If they want to opt into email marketing, they can also select it on the website. So it literally captures everything while the person is checking out, so I don't have to do anything else, which I think is dope. You can also go and you can add different apps in to make your store work more effectively and, you know, optimize how your website works. I was deciding between Shopify and Squarespace as well as Wix, and when I found out about Shopify, I just did my research and I really like Shopify. So you can also go in and add different themes into your website. I personally picked this theme out. I found it, it was free, I liked it, and I just went ahead and I customized it with my little touch of graphic design that I got going on. So now we're gonna go into actually processing out the orders and how I actually ship them out. Let's get it. Okay, so this is when it gets real juicy and real, not complicated, but this is when you have to really use and just pay attention to everything that you're doing just to ensure that your packages go out smoothly. This is why I print out the packing slip, because when I print out the packing slip, I'm able to actually see what lashes I need, and then I organize it. I'm just gonna show you guys what I do. So in this first order, we have a Glam lash, and it's just Glam, so we're gonna grab one Glam lash. And then in this order, we have another Glam lash, and we have the Lara lash. And then in this order, we have Dream Girl, Hollywood, and excuse me, I just got burnt. And then in this order, we have Dream Girl, Hollywood, and KILLA Queen. So far we need 2 Glam lashes, we need 1 Lara lash, we need 3 Dream Girl lashes, 1 Hollywood lash, and 1 KILLA Queen lashes. So now I'm gonna take us over to the lash dryer so you can grab the lashes and bring them back. We got all of our lashes. So now that I have all of my lashes, I just line them up to make sure they're at the right order. So this order wants Glam, so I put the Glam lash with that. Then we have Lara and Glam, so I put this with this order. And then we have this order, which has KILLA Queen. It has Dream Girl, a little bit of weave, Dream Girl again, Dream Girl again, and then we have Hollywood. I'm just gonna grab the tracking label from every order. So I just cut the shipping label and then I am going to tape them onto the tagging. Now I put the correct shipping label with the correct order. Now after I do that, I grab my poly mailers. So I need 3. I'm just gonna start with the first one. So I grab my poly mailers. I place the shipping label on top of the poly mailer. Move my scissors out the way. And then this is some tape that I got from Staples, I believe. You can get this tape anywhere, boo. This is just Scotch tape. And it's Scotch heavy duty shipping tape. So I tape it about 3 different times, and then I just like to cover the entire shipping label just in case it rains. You know, you don't want it to get wet. But it's just a habit. When I used to work in retail, I used to actually have to send out different items and we would have the actual bag that you would stick it in. So I'm just used to having it covered. So that's just what I do, and then I place it with the order that it's gonna go out with. So I'm just gonna do the same thing for these orders. And I think I might need a big one for this one. I don't think they all gonna fit in there, so I'm just gonna grab a big one. And when I had purchased this, which I got both of them off Amazon, when I had bought this, I didn't think that it was gonna be this big. Look at it, it's so huge. This is so big. I didn't think it was gonna be this big, y'all. I thought it was gonna be like a little bit smaller, but there was a smaller size that was available, but I just figured I might as well just go with the larger size and then have to just have extra space and go with the smaller size and then have to then purchase a larger size one, if that makes sense. When I go and reorder the large size, I am not gonna go this big. I am not gonna go this big. It just don't have to be. What's big, sweetie? I don't need this. It don't have to be this big. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to add the shipping label. Look how tiny it looks. Okay, so now it is on. It's taped, girl. I know that there are a bunch of different label printers and things like that. I haven't found it in me to actually go ahead and get the label printer. I just feel like we at a cool place right now. Once we get to a place where we do need to have a label printer and really save on time, then I would definitely invest in that. But for right now, I'm just doing the standard, printing it from the printer and then cutting it out and pasting it on there. Like, I remember one time I had to, like, when I first started, I literally had to go to Staples because I didn't have a printer. I had to go to Staples, I had to print it out from Staples and then drive all the way back, pay for it, and then actually ship out lashes. So your business does progress over time. We're making progress, sis. So this is a way that I do it, but there are different label printers that you could actually use when you're printing out your shipping labels. I did want to talk about this right here. This is, my nail is really bothering you guys. We quarantined. This is the Brother label printer. And I had got this from Staples, and the reason why I had purchased it was because when I was really sending out my lashes, I realized that my lashes were not labeled. They weren't labeled, and I was just like, wait, so when people order on the website, they know what lashes that they want, but when they actually receive the lashes, they don't know what lashes they get? It doesn't make any sense. So what I did was I purchased the label printer, and the cool thing about this is that you can get it in different colors. So I got it in the color pink, and you can put the actual paper inside the printer and it just prints out. It's battery operated, or you can use it with a plug-in, but I found that if I just get batteries and I turn it on and off when I'm not using it, it's fine. And I'm going to show you guys what it's actually like. So you just go in here and I'm going to type Glam Girl Squad. So I just type Glam Girl Squad. What I'm going to do is I'm typing Glam Girl Squad, and then you just go to print. You select how many copies you want. I want 1 copy, and press print, and then look, it's coming out the bag. And then that's it. And then you just use this green part right here to just cut it, and I just cut it like that. And then you have Glam Girl Squad. How cute. Who wants this? Who wants it? And then I just go in and I press the power button, I turn it off. just so we can save on the battery. And then you can literally just like cut this off right here. And I don't like that it wastes this much of paper though. Like every time it gives you, like it wastes this much, and I feel like it doesn't need to waste this much paper. Why? Because the actual paper costs like $30 something, and I purchased this at Staples for I believe about $25, but it was on sale for like $17. And the good thing about Staples is that they do price match. And when I got there, it was actually $20, and I was like, oh cool, bet, like, you know, I saved $5. And then I was like, when I got to the register, someone told me to check how much it costs on Amazon, because I normally purchase a lot of things on Amazon just because it has the Amazon Prime. I don't have to worry about going out, and I can just literally read the reviews. I can see different customers, you know, responding to it. I love looking at Instagram. I was gonna say Instagram. I love looking at the customers' reviews. I love seeing what it's looking like on the actual website, and I don't have to move. I can do this literally from my phone, from my computer. There's an app, so life is good. So I was like, you know what, I just went to Staples. So I went to Staples because that's where I originally purchased this from. So we literally paused the line, and I was like, let me check. I was that girl, but I was like, it doesn't make any sense for me to purchase it here if Amazon has it. That's for one, and then two, they're gonna price match, so of course I'm gonna save some coins, girl. So when I went on Amazon, they had it for $13. $13. Like, I literally ended up saving roughly around $10 for the whole thing. So they ended up matching what Amazon was offering for the actual item, which was dope. Let me put on my shirt. Glam Girl Squad, how cute. This looks cute. Before I strip them out, make sure all my lashes look good. Lucky, stop! So then I just make sure that the poly mailer is inside, and then I also include the packing slip just so that, you know, the person that's ordering can know exactly what they are receiving. I fold that in half, and then I just put it inside of the packaging. And then the good thing about this is it comes with tape, so you just rip this off the back, do whatever you want with it, and then you just fold it over, and then the lashes are ready to go and they're ready to ship. So that's that first order. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna process the rest of the orders. Okay, you guys, so these are the orders. Now I'm gonna take them over to the post office. I mean, right now it's 6:05. So the post office probably closed. However, I do go to the post office. They have like a little pull down thing you can drop them in. Sometimes I do actually go to the teller and I actually give her, I think that's what she's called, I actually give her the packages. She scans them and then she just throws them in a bin. The only difference is that she does give you a receipt, and I can keep that receipt. But since I already have the tracking label and they're basically ready to go, sometimes I even put them outside my house and my mailman picks them up and he takes them to the post office and they begin tracking and shipping, and the lashes will be on their way. So before I send my lashes out, I do like to pray over my lashes to just whoever has received them, to, especially during this time, I like to pray whoever receives lashes is blessed and protected and safe during this time. I like them to, when they put these lashes on, to just feel amazing and beautiful and their inability to shine through. I hope these lashes build confidence in these women that are receiving them, and I hope that they are blessed and protected and loved, and abundance and prosperity is shining all over their lives. And thank you all for supporting the Lara lifestyle. So if you guys are interested in shopping my lashes, you can head over to thelaralifestyle.com. I have a bunch of different lashes. If you guys have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comment section. I hope this video was helpful. I know that I could have been all over the place with the lashes, but I think I was pretty direct. But if you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. And always don't forget to join the Glam Girl Squad. Join the Glam Girl Squad and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video. This was like a tech slash entrepreneur slash series. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Bye. Oh, actually, we're about to go to the post office. Then we're gonna end the video. But before I end the video outside the post office, I'm just gonna say bye now. We can go to the post office and the video go in. So let's go to the post office. Let's get it.